A day in the life of an animal science student, Biochem in real life.
As an animal science student, our day is a mix of chemistry, formulas, biochem, and many more. But did you know that biochemistry isn't just about formulas? It also talks about how animals digest, grows, and uses energy.
First up is animal nutrition. Here we study about carbohydrate, lipids, and protein because they're the main source of nutrients that the animal needs. Carbohydrates can give energy to animals so they can move, grow, and maintain body weight. Lipid is a concentrated energy source perfect for lactating animals or animals that are in cold weather. Next is proteins. Proteins are for muscle development, milk production, tissue repair, and even for formation of enzymes.
In the lab, we work with enzymes. They're like tiny workers inside the animals. They speed up digestion and metabolism. Amylase breaks down carbohydrates. Lipase breaks down lipids. And protease breaks down proteins. And without enzymes, animals cannot digest feed fast enough to survive.
Biochemistry explains how nutrients turns into energy. When carbohydrates are digested, they enter pathways like glycolysis and Krebs cycles to make ATP, which is the fuel for every cell. Here on the farm, Biochem becomes practical. We calculate feed rations based on the animal's needs for energy, protein, and fats. This helps improve growth, reproduction, and milk production.
So whether it's balancing a ration, checking animal health, or doing lab work, biochemistry, enzymes, carbohydrates, and proteins and lipids are everywhere in animal science.
Biochem isn't just a subject, it is a part of every heartbeat, every movement, and every drop of milk an animal produces.